Here's a detailed and engaging look at 10 Korean celebrity couples who show us what love looks like in the Korean entertainment world, capturing hearts globally with their unwavering loyalty and deep connection. These couples have been together through life's ups and downs, offering fans an inspiring look at real romance beyond the screen. 1. Kim Woo-bin and Shin Minna, a love that heals and grows. Kim Woo-bin and Shin Minna have one of the most beloved love stories in the industry. They began dating in 2015 after meeting on a Giordano ad campaign, and their relationship quickly became a fan favorite. Their love was tested early on, as Kim Woo-bin was diagnosed with nasopharyngeal cancer just 2 years into their relationship. During his challenging health journey, Shin Minna was there for him every step of the way, proving her unwavering commitment. When Woo-bin returned to the screen, fans were thrilled to see the couple in a blues together, showcasing their chemistry and depth of connection. One unforgettable moment was when Shin Minna sent a coffee truck to Woo-bin's set, a sweet symbol of her support and love. Now, after 9 years together, they stand as a true example of enduring love. 2. IU and Lee Jong-suk, from friends to forever. IU and Lee Jong-suk are a classic case of friends turning into lovers, and fans are enamored with their journey. The duo first met in 2012 as co-hosts for SBS Inkigayo, where they became fast friends. But as it turned out, Jong-suk felt a romantic spark from the beginning. After nearly a decade, they confirmed their relationship in 2022. Their love story is rooted in a deep friendship and mutual support for each other's careers. Jong-suk's heartfelt speech at the 2022 MBC Drama Awards, where he thanked IU and expressed his love for her, had fans swooning. This couple continues to make headlines with their sweet and subtle displays of affection, like when IU performed at Jong-suk's brother's wedding, a clear show of her love and commitment. 3. Yoona and Lee Junho, chemistry on and off the screen. Fans of King the Land will agree, Yoona and Lee Junho's chemistry is absolutely electric. The two have been friends for over a decade, but their close connection in the drama had viewers hoping for an off-screen romance as well. At the 2023 AAA Star Awards, their adorable interactions only fueled dating rumors, with Junho even admitting that he has liked Yoona for years. Whether they confirm a romance or not, fans can't get enough of their sizzling on-screen moments, and they continue to ship this beloved pairing, who have managed to keep audiences entertained and hopeful for a real-life love story. 4. Choi Soo-young and Jung Kyung-ho, 12 years of devotion. In a world where fame often disrupts relationships, Choi Soo-young and Jung Kyung-ho have managed to keep theirs rock solid for over a decade. This couple started dating in 2012 and went public in 2014, much to the delight of their fans. Known for keeping things low-key, Soo-young and Kyung-ho have maintained their relationship with a sense of maturity and groundedness that fans admire. Kyung-ho is often seen supporting Soo-young at Girls' Generation concerts and other public events, showing his pride in her achievements. Their recent outing at a Bruno Mars concert in 2023 and their casual, everyday interactions make them a beloved example of a loving, long-term couple. 5. Lee Kwang-soo and Lee Sun-bin, a love that started with laughter. The beloved Running Man star Lee Kwang-soo and actress Lee Sun-bin make an adorable couple, and their relationship began in the most delightful way on the show. After meeting in 2016, they quickly formed a bond and went public in 2018. Fans appreciate how open they are about their relationship, often sharing sweet moments in interviews. The couple is frequently spotted on casual dates, and recently, they were seen enjoying a romantic getaway in Japan. Their chemistry, grounded in humor and playfulness, is something fans can't help but admire. 6. Jung Ho-yeon and Lee Dong-hwi, love against all odds. Squid Game star Jung Ho-yeon and actor Lee Dong-hwi have been together for nearly a decade, despite the 9-year age gap between them. They began dating in 2015 and have shown the world that age is just a number. Their relationship is refreshingly open, and they aren't shy about sharing glimpses of their love on social media. One particularly sweet moment was at the 2023 Blue Dragon Series Awards when Dong-hwi's supportive gaze helped Hoyeon through a minor stage mishap, melting fans' hearts. Their relationship is marked by mutual respect, humor, and deep affection. 7. Ryu Juniol and Hairi, a beloved romance that left fans heartbroken. Reply 1988 co-stars Ryu Juniol and Hairi were a fan-favorite couple who dated for 8 years, making headlines as one of the most iconic K-drama love stories come to life. Their real-life romance began while filming, but they confirmed their relationship in 2017. However, they recently parted ways in 2023, leaving fans heartbroken but respectful of their decision. Even though they're no longer together, fans will always cherish the beautiful moments and memories this couple shared, both on and off the screen. 8. Ryu Seungbum and Gong Hyojin, the love that shaped an era. Although Ryu Seungbum and Gong Hyojin parted ways over a decade ago, their relationship left a lasting impact on fans. They met on the set of Splendid Days in 2002 and had a relationship that lasted 10 years. Even after they separated in 2012, they remained friends and moved on with new partners. Today, Ryu is married to his Slovakian wife, and Gong Hyojin recently tied the knot with singer Kevin Oh. Their decade-long love story has become legendary, remembered as an iconic pairing that defined an era in Korean entertainment. 9. Lee Do-hyun and Lim Ji-yeon, a bond born on set. The Glory co-stars Lee Do-hyun and Lim Ji-yeon quickly turned their on-screen chemistry into a real-life romance, with fans thrilled to see their connection flourish off-screen. The couple began dating in 2022 and went public in early 2023. Their relationship is characterized by warmth and mutual support, with both often spotted on casual dates. Lee Do-hyun's openness about their relationship has made them even more beloved, as fans appreciate the honesty and genuine affection they share. 10. Kim Woo-jin and Seo Ji-hae, speculated romance still in the shadows. Though Kim Woo-jin and Seo Ji-hae haven't confirmed any romance, fans love to speculate that there might be a budding relationship between the two. Their on-screen chemistry in Crash Landing on You was palpable, sparking rumors and making fans eager for any confirmation. While neither has officially spoken about a relationship, fans remain hopeful, celebrating the possibility that another on-screen love story may be real. These inspiring couples give fans a sense of what true love looks like, one built on patience, support, humor, and loyalty. Whether they've been together for years or just begun their journey, they remind us that love can be enduring, healing, and full of joy. Who's your favorite couple, and why?